Welcome to Barnard Castle Camping and Caravanning Club site, where the north-eastern edge of the Yorkshire Dales National Park meets the North Pennines. This picturesque and rural site is lined with trees and makes for a tranquil escape for all the family. On site there's a modern facilities block, plus the recent addition of ReadyCamp glamping tents. These pre-pitched tents are perfect for families that are keen to try out the camping lifestyle without having to buy camping equipment. Barnard Castle club site's location makes it a hit with keen walkers and cyclists. Stroll a couple of miles to the pretty Teesdale market town of Barnard Castle, which is home to the English heritage managed fortress that lends the town its name. From here, the views over the Tees Gorge and river are simply stunning. A popular walk suitable for all abilities takes in the nearby Balderhead, Bolton and Hury reservoirs. It's a gentle 5 miles and includes a stretch of the Pennine Way. Alternatively, these reservoirs are a hit with coarse and fly fishers and are well stocked with trout. For more serious walkers, there are plenty of other circular walks in the North Pennines, plus of course more dramatic sections of the Pennine Way National Trail itself. Barnard Castle club site is also a great base for striking out into the Yorkshire Dales, which is fabulous cycling country thanks to its quiet roads and varied scenery of heather-clad moorlands and dry stone walls. Also, be sure to pay a visit to High Force, one of the most spectacular waterfalls in England, which drops more than 20 metres into a plunge pool. Barnard Castle Camping and Caravanning Club site is open from March until November and is perfectly located to explore some of Northern England's most dramatic landscapes. Our friendly site team look forward to your visit.